Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, like I've been saying, I mean, still, I'm still haven't changed my idea that this is possibly an A, a B, and it's going to go down for a big wave C. But like I've been saying, the US dollar analysis really doesn't align with this, and that the US dollar analysis is telling us the correct story that this may just keep on trending up. So, definitely be careful. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, it totally looks like a downtrend for an A. To me, it looks like one, two, three waves up for potentially an a B, and a C of wave B. And if that is true, then this potentially could turn down in a huge downtrend for a big C. This would potentially be an ABC of B. No, so let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely had a big move to the downside, and we definitely did have a break of structure on sort of time frames. But that could have been a false break, or it could be like an irregular wave A B. Sometimes wave B's definitely can take out the high wave of the previous wave. So that's why I got my special Fibonacci retracement on here, which is set up for flats. It's got the extra levels like the 105, the 123, and the 138, because if this really is like a wave B or a wave 2, like an irregular wave B or an irregular wave 2, then it potentially could go to the 105, 123, or 138 before it does turn back down. Either way, the trend is definitely still up. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, what really sticks out to me is that we have impulsive down breaks of structure. Then we have what definitely looks like a possible 1, 2, 3 waves up. So if this does go up to the 105 or the 123, 138, and then turn from there, then that probably is going to be either a wave B or a wave 2, like an irregular wave B or wave 2. Wave Bs or wave 2s definitely can take out the high of the previous trend. So this would either be an A or 1, and potentially it could go down for either a C or a 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So we are at the 105 level. If it does make a really nice big turn right here, then I would be convinced after we get a break of structure that the wave B or the wave 2 is over. But I would have to see a pretty nice move down, maybe even something like this over here. A nice engulfing, very strong move to the downside to believe it. Because otherwise, really, what we should be doing is we should be looking at every move down as possibly, like this right here, is possibly nothing more than a correction to the last wave up. So if we see something down, then likely it could just be a correction to the last wave up, and it likely could just keep on trending up. We need to see either a significant lower high or preferably a nice break of structure to believe that this really is the end of a wave B or a wave 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.